you doing today? So today we're gonna talk and demonstrate how to use the Phonto slit lamp imaging system. It's a very simple system to use. It's all built in one adapter. It has its own embedded built-in beam splitter, and I'm gonna show you how to hook it up and use it today. Simply, we're gonna remove the optical head. We're gonna connect the Phonto system first. Once you have that inside, make sure it's secure. Then you want to put the optical head back on. Alright. Now this system uses an application, so if you have an Apple phone or an Android, go to the store and you want to download a software called Imaging System, and that's the software that's going to be used today. This is the software, and I'll show you the full functions on the next video. Alright, so here we have the Phonto imaging system for your slit lamp. This works with, like I said, any Apple phone, any Android phone. Simply download the imaging system application, and that will allow you to use the Phonto for its full capacity. It also has patient management as well, so you can add patients and create their own database. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to show you how to attach this. The system comes with these little metal plates. It has an adhesive 3M sticker on the back, and what you would do with this is simply attach this to the center of your phone, and with that done, this has its own magnetic field. So once you have the plate and your phone on this system, it will hold the phone in place on the Phonto system. So in this case, since it's my own personal phone, I will not be sticking that to it, but I will use rubber bands to simply hold it up. So you want to hold the system, use your camera, your normal standard camera, and you want to get the optics aligned. So once you get the optics aligned, I'm just simply going to hold it down with some rubber bands. Okay. And once you do that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to activate the Phonto software. Once you have the Phonto software connected, you can see that the optics are aligned, everything is on the screen. The system comes with a portable Bluetooth shutter. This uses a 2032 battery, and all you got to do is sync it by Bluetooth to your phone, and this will trigger and allow you to use the software remotely. If you look on the screen, here on the top, we have the focus, we have brightness, we have digital zoom, we have the balance, the white balance, we have the gallery, we have the patients, video or capture images, and setup. When you hit patients, here you can enter the patient name, you have the patient last name, left eye, right eye. Once you do that, we'll just add someone here for now. And then once you do that, we'll be able to use the software, and I'll show you how to fully use this system. Okay, here we got the name. We click on activate. Now it says here patient Joe, and I will show you here. So let's say we have an image here. So once you have that on there, here we have the white balance, we have the zoom, the brightness, if you want to make it brighter or less bright, you have the option to do that. The focus is very important. when you're actually using the optics of the optical head, you want to make sure that once you're focused here, that the camera itself is correctly focused with the ocular head, so you can use both systems and you won't have the camera out of focus while you're in focus with the optical head. So once you get that focused, you can set it up. Okay, you have digital zoom as well. I'm not going to use that right now. And here we have the option to capture images and do videos. Okay, so by pushing the trigger, we're actually taking pictures. You want to capture a video, hit on video, you simply push down the button and you will see the red recording button. Once you release that trigger, it will stop recording. We can go back into the gallery, and then here you have your images stored. Here you can look at the images that you recorded, or you can play back the audio, the video I mean, of the image. Again, this is very simple to use. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.